Hi Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection energy reading for the month of July 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay, Taurus, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy on your soulmate and twin flame connection for the month of July 2021. Also, Taurus, please know that this is a collective general energy reading, therefore it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Taurus, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Okay, so let's look at into the channel messages. Okay, so Taurus, on this side here is your energy, and then on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. The sign that I'm getting coming up for you here, I'm getting a very strong air sign, Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. I'm also getting a very strong earth energy coming up here as well, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. And then I've also got a very strong water energy coming up here as well, Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces. So you could have any of those signs in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs in that chart. Now looking at your energy here, Taurus, I've got the 8 of Swords, I've got the 7 of Cups, I've got the 5 of Cups, and then I've also got the 2 of Pentacles coming up here as the overall energy. The first thing that I'm getting coming up from you here is that a very strong feeling confused, or just like a confusion energy coming up here quite strongly. I feel like there is a certain decision that you need to make, or you are struggling to make, I would say here, Taurus. More specifically here regarding this particular connection, whether you need to move on from that, or what is it that you need to do. Should you reach out to your person? Should you communicate? Like, you kind of like confused which way that you need to go here and what you are supposed to be doing. I'm also getting a little bit of self-blaming and regret, as well as guilty energy is also another thing that I've got coming up for you here as well, Taurus. So I feel like part of you here, you also still feeling a little bit of guilty energy, I would say. Some of you here could also still be blaming yourself for how things went down between both of you. If both of you are currently in a separation at this point of time here, you might still be blaming up yourself for things, for how you reacted, or for things that you said or you did, which triggering up the separation. I'm getting like a very strong guilty energy is what I'm getting coming up here. And then I've also got the 8 of Swords energy coming up here as also. Overall energy that I'm getting coming up from you here, Taurus, is that feeling stuck or feeling trapped within yourself here. So part of you here wants to move on, wants to just continue your life here, but at the same time another part of you here keep on blaming yourself. This is what making you struggle to let go. This is what making you struggle to maintain balance within yourself, within your emotion, and within your feelings here, Taurus. So I feel like one thing that you need to know here is that with this 7 of Cups energy, I feel like you've been doing it in a wrong way, or you've been doing it wrongly, I would say here, because it's like you are trying to figure out everything all at once here, and on the top of that here, the self-blaming, the guilty, the regretful energy is all coming up together at once. So I feel like one thing that you need to be doing for yourself here is that letting go of that regretful energy, letting go of those self-blaming, letting go of putting yourself or giving yourself the pressure, or being too overly critical, or being too hard on yourself here. So that's definitely the first step that you need to go about it here, Taurus. And the second one here is that you need to reassessing everything on your life here, including what had happened prior to the separation, or prior to the argument, prior to the conflict that both of you had here between you and your partner. Because with this 7 of Cups energy here is that even though you have a good intention, which is that you want to fix yourself, you want to try to be a better person here, but you are looking it from a different direction, or you're looking it from a wrong direction, I would say, because now you are putting up all the pressure to yourself here, Taurus, that you are putting up the pressure to yourself, thinking that this is your fault, you need to fix this, otherwise like there is no way out here. So this is how you need to change your mindset, this is how you need to change your perspective, I would say here, Taurus. So try to reassessing it like one by one, like listing down things, which one that you need to focus on here. So start from that one by one is what I'm getting, Taurus. Now let's look at into your person energy here. First of all, here with your person energy, I'm getting a very strong struggle when it comes into the financial related situation. So I feel like they are currently struggling within their finances here, and I feel like this is also another reason why the communication or things between both of you here might not be seemingly moving forward, because there are so many burdens, I would say here, or so many baggages that your person are at this point of time here, they're currently carrying at this point of time, I would say here, Taurus. So another thing that I've got coming up here is that with this with this 5 of Pentacles energy and the 9 of Pentacles energy, as well as the King of Swords energy coming up here, they do actually want to communicate with you, or they're actually dreaming, or they're actually having this desire, I would say here, Taurus. They are desiring the communication to happen between both of you here, Taurus, but at the same time here they couldn't put the step forward to start the communication. Like I said before, the baggages that they've been carrying within themselves, even though at this point of time here I'm getting a very strong financial struggle or financial difficulties coming up from within themselves, but this could mean many things. This could mean like third party situation, karmic situation, everything that they're currently struggling with within themselves. Another thing that I've got coming up from them here is that I'm also getting like a very strong hopelessness energy coming up here. So it's almost the same mirroring energy, I would say here, Taurus, because part of you here are still struggling to forgive yourself. Part of you here are still blaming yourself here for how things went down between both of you. So the same thing here as well, that your partner, they are also currently struggling to forgive themselves. They're also like feeling hopeless and feeling desperate. Like I said, they do want to have the communication to happen between both of you, but the ego, the baggages, as well as there is a little bit of hopeless feelings, I would say here, coming out from within themselves, because they feel that okay, this is it, like you might have been forgotten about them, or you don't want to hear anything from them anymore. So these are the delays, or these are the challenges that's kind of like delaying the communication and just delaying the progress between both of you here, Taurus. And then I've also got the Page of Pentacles coming up here. Now they might not know about the term of manifestation or law of attraction, but this desire that they have, the dream that they have here, this is also a way of them manifesting you back into their life here, is another thing that I've got coming up for you here, Taurus. Now looking at the channel messages coming up here, I've got not now, and then I've got trust issue. So there is definitely going to be a little bit delay, I would say here, for things to just pick up between you and your person, but that does not mean here that it's never going to happen. It's just that I feel like at this point of time here, both of you are struggling with self-forgiveness, I would say here, and self-love and emotional healing. So try to focus on that. Heal any trust issues that you have within yourself as well here, Taurus. So that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.